Flutter, a UI framework for building apps on the web, iOS, Android, and desktop. It combines a high-performance graphic engine with a Dart programming language, an object-oriented programming language developed by Google. Dart helps you build fast and reliable apps with its full type safety and hot reload. In production, Flutter compiles the machine code so that your graphics look amazing on every platform and performance is as fast as it can be. To create a Flutter app, install Flutter and then run flutter create, followed by the name of your project. Now open the main.dart file to get started, and this is where you code your app. It is important to know that everything in Flutter is a widget, which means that everything that returns is a widget as well. This makes it easier to traverse your code in the editor. The Flutter framework has a rich set of pre-built widgets that are pre-made according to the platform that you're developing for, along with a huge community following. These widgets can handle things like scrolling, animations, buttons, responsive UI, and more. Flutter has two types of widgets, stateless and stateful. Stateless widgets cannot change their state during the runtime of the app and they have no internal data. While stateful widgets are mutable and can be changed during runtime any number of times while running the app. For example, when you have internal data that can be changed based off input, we can extend a stateful widget. We can create a counter that starts at 0 and then create a function that updates that counter with setState. SetState is a function that's called whenever your UI needs to be updated in real time. Then, we can override the build method of our widget to define our UI and create a button that calls this function when it's pressed. Let's also add center aligned text that displays our counter. Now, we can run our application by typing flutter run into the console. Our application will show in a preview, allowing you to see your work in action. We can see our button and our counter, and that's nice, but let's give it a little more style. Let's add a style line to the text, making it bold and changing the color to blue. Next, I want to center our counter button to the bottom middle. Now, we can go back to the console and press R to hot reload, seeing our changes update. In a few seconds, Flutter allowed us to upgrade our program, showing how easy it can be. Note that the application state does not reset during reload, so any counters or timers that you have in your program will not be reset until the program is fully restarted. That was Flutter wrapped in 2 minutes. If you'd like to see more content like this, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching my video.